Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. GRWM here with that makeup look that y'all asked for. I literally recreated the makeup look that you guys wanted to see. And it's crazy because I don't really film the makeup tutorials, even though I love filming makeup tutorials, but they don't do good on my channel. Savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet. So it's like, if you guys want to see makeup tutorials, let me know in the comment sections below because it's my first love and I don't mind filming popping ass looks for you guys. So hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's get right into it.
Stop playing with him.
GRWM and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me.
Today we're going to be doing that makeup tutorial that you guys requested me to do. I'm just like,
you guys want to see that?
I'm gonna start off with my P. Louise base. I got the shade 2 and quite frankly, I enjoy the P. Louise base. I did find that it creases. Some people were like, oh, it doesn't crease, but it definitely creases. What I used first was the neon palette. I decided to bring this back out by Ditto Cosmetics. And I'm gonna go in with this pink shade right here. And I started off, I kind of opened my eye. I low-key literally remembered what I did. I opened my eye because I have hooded eyes and the last thing that I want is all this beautiful work to go unnoticed. Within this, you could either blend it up to your brow. Some people don't like that look, but I think that is pretty. Like, I think blowing it out all the way up to my brow bone is a vibe. Let me know in the comment sections below. Do you guys like makeup tutorials where I talk to you about what I'm doing, explain to you the steps on getting there, like, oh, I blend it in a circular motion or whatever it is? Or do you guys prefer for me to come on here and talk to you guys, give you guys some story times? Okay, let me know in the comment sections because I really would like to know what you're into. Next, what we're going to do, what I did was I actually went on and packed on some more of that pink shade from the Ditto Cosmetics. Okay, I think I used the Carly Bible palette next, and I took this shade Steve, which is kind of like a burgundy-ish shade. So I literally just packed it in there, blended it in. I'm gonna use 2 more shades out of the Ditto Cosmetics palette. So I'm gonna go on with the shade Grape, and then after I went on with the shade Purple, and I'm just using one brush. All right, so we're gonna cut our crease with that same P. Louise base. Okay, so what I used next, I went back in with the same 3 purple shades that I used to begin with. Go, look at me, go light-handed, and I done took all of it. I kind of took a lot, and that's okay because we're gonna have a black wing here. I just put on some lashes and that was it. So I've been loving to use this Kontrol primer by Jackrabbit. I love the way it makes my skin feel. I don't have to go in with like 100 different products to get my makeup. I'm a firm believer that your base is the foundation to your foundation. I feel like this is kind of like an all-stop shop, like a one-stop shop. Everything you need for makeup, to be honest. All right, y'all, so what I used for the foundation was the NYX Total Dry. Does me well, does me good. As you guys know, I've been going on with 1 coat of foundation. The concealer remains the same. I'm going to use the Tarte in the shade Tan Sand. Then I'm gonna put e.l.f. Medium Sand on top. If you guys are interested in my highlight contour routine, kind of like in-depth, me talking, me really explaining my highlight and contour routine, I'm gonna link the video in a card. I'm gonna just fast forward through this. Cue elevator music. For my contour, of course, my NARS in the shade Hazelnut. After I hop off this tutorial, I am going to go check out Rihanna's cream bronzers because I just saw she made an announcement about some cream bronzers and your girl loves to cream bronze. How are you guys doing during these crazy times? Has it gotten better? Are you guys excited? Have y'all heard about this little stimulus check? It's just in the works right now. It's $2,000 a month stimulus check. Are we gonna all be big balling or what? I'm just like, oh, I'm about to leave coronavirus rich. This is crazy. Like, it's been a crazy time. I've just been so excited that my husband's been home, you know, because he works on sets. He's a rapper. He acts So he's literally always on set. I'm happy he's home. I don't know about you guys, but I really go back and watch my videos and I love them. You guys know I like the Rihanna in the shade Hustler Baby. For the lips, I just went in with the brown. And then with that same, this is a Tarte. I got it from Lonnie Love. You guys know the comedian Lonnie Love. She's my godmom's best friend. She hooked your girl up with the holiday collection from Tarte. And I'm gonna just use the Morphe because I didn't really like it. We're not gonna waste. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up. If you guys want to see more makeup tutorials from me, let me know in the comment sections too, like, yeah girl, we want to see more makeup tutorials. Because if you do, I got you. All right, bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try to try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV, I'ma have them on the run like J and Beyonce.